Hello, YouTube family. Thank you for coming back to my channel. I want to come on here really quick and just show you guys how my room looks and how I'm going to tidy it back up because it's a little bit of a mess. And for some reason, I love watching these type of videos. They are so calming, but at the same time, they give me inspiration to get up and get my life together and get my house together. So I just want to see how it goes. If you guys like this video, let me know. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'm gonna do I guess, a walkthrough of what I'm doing as I go. So right now, I'm just making up my bed. I can't seem to find a comforter set that I really care for, so I just throw a bunch of blankets and stuff together and make it look nice and call it a day. Hopefully one day I'll find something that I like, but until then, this will do. And if you guys have any questions about any of my decor that I don't name or give a place where I got it from, then just leave a comment below and I'll get back with you. I tend to keep a lot of pillows on my bed. I love the way it looks. However, it is annoying at night when you get ready to go to bed and you have like 10 pillows that you need to get rid of before you get to the ones that you sleep. That does get on my nerves, but you know, it is what it is. I think the blanket at the end of my bed, I got that from Home Goods. I just redecorated this room. It was like cream and black and gold, and I just added some blue because I found those blue lamps. So I had to go back and add some blue to it, and hopefully I'll be getting rid of the black soon. And those little plants that I have hanging, I don't know, I just got this bright idea to hang some plants from my curtain rod. So it came out nice, I think. So right here, I'm gonna fold this fitted sheet. I really hate folding fitted sheets, but yeah, my daughter had that the other night playing like she was a ghost. So I'm gonna fold that and put that up. I'm just fluffing these pillows and dusting the chair off, and I'm gonna put them back in place. I just popped the tag off of that pillow because I just bought that pillow like last week. So yeah, I wasn't sure if I was gonna keep it, so I left the tag on. Right here, I'm just gonna pick up all the cords. That's the cord to my MacBook, and it's also a phone charger over there. I'm gonna just unplug all that and put it up. Now I'm gonna vacuum the whole floor. If you guys are not using a cordless vacuum, oh my gosh, you gotta get your hands on a cordless vacuum. I mean, it makes life so much easier. Just imagine you don't have to plug in every room or every spot that you want to vacuum. It's a lot lighter, and we do have stairs in this house. And I have a big Dyson that we got once this one, the battery died. So we got a big Dyson, and you have to plug it in. And carrying that thing up and down the stairs was such a headache. So I ordered a battery from Amazon so that I could put my cordless vacuum back to work. And I keep the big one upstairs, but I don't have a lot of traffic that comes through my room. So yeah, I just like to use it in here. And I'm all done now because my room really wasn't that messy. Well, it was messy, but it wasn't like dirty. So right here, I'm just gonna add some water to this diffuser, and it's fresh linen oil that I got from, I think I got it from Tuesday Morning. It smells so good, and it just makes my whole upstairs smell fresh and clean. So that's the end of my routine. If you guys like this video, like I said, please let me know, and I can do more in different areas of the house. Thank you guys for joining me so much. I really appreciate it. And you have a great day. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next time.